Seriously? This dude with a broken leg is still out here trying to steal? Bro, focus on healing, not thieving.
Hey, is that your tire? Is that your tire? You live here? You live here? I don't remember seeing you. If it's your tire, shouldn't your car be much closer to your house?
In Pensacola, Florida, check this woman out. She's definitely at the wrong house, creeping around like she's lost. Petersburg, Virginia. In North Las Vegas, Nevada, check this lady.
I need to come home.
Brooklyn, New York. Keep your package inside. In Brooklyn, New York, check out this wannabe Bonnie and Clyde, grabbing anything and everything in their path. In San Jose, California, porch pirate caught in the act. Homeowner didn't hold back and had a few choice words for this wannabe thief. Let's watch how it went down.
What the f*** are you doing?
Put it back. What? I wasn't going to steal it. I was going to put it back in the morning time. Put it back. Property.
Don't f*** shit that's not yours, dude.
Whoa.
She heads to the backyard camera to say something. Let's see what brilliant excuse she has this time.
I need to come home. I need to come home. I need to come home. Where's my phone? It's right here. I need to come home.
In Daly City, California, check out this breakneck doorknob wiggler. Las Vegas, Nevada. Seriously, folks, keep your packages inside. Don't give these porch pirates any freebies. In Columbus, Ohio, check out these two sneaky thieves peeking into windows like they're plotting a heist. Better keep your windows locked, folks. In Houston, Texas, check her out. Nothing here for you, lady. Move along. Seriously, some people just don't get the hint. In Las Vegas, Nevada, check out this greedy grandma. She's going around swiping decorations like it's a clearance sale. But guess what? She gets caught. It's hilarious to watch. Stick around till the end for the grand finale. Don't forget to give that like button some love and share the video. Our goal today is 500 likes, so hit that button and help us reach it. Plus, you won't want to miss tomorrow's episode, so make sure to subscribe and join the fun. Let's do this. In Pensacola, Florida, check out this couple. Houston, Texas. In Greensboro, North Carolina, this lady looks like she's in a bit of trouble. Hope she's all right. Greensboro, North Carolina. Check her out. In Pensacola, Florida, remember to keep your pets inside. In Beaumont, Texas, check out this lady. Looks like she's out here trying to collect money. But sorry, lady, no donations today. Everyone's all tapped out. In Durham, North Carolina. Pensacola, Florida. In Tucson, Arizona, keep an eye out for this car door checker. Baltimore, Maryland, another late-night creeper. Better keep your doors locked. Pensacola, Florida. Columbus, Ohio. In Greensboro, North Carolina, check out this late-night creeper lurking around. Definitely not someone you'd want on your doorstep. Stay safe, everyone.
Hi, we'll be right there.
In Pensacola, Florida, these two didn't waste any time. They stole credit cards and headed straight to the mall for a shopping spree. Keep an eye on your belongings. Houston, Texas. Meanwhile, looks like they took a wrong turn somewhere. Definitely at the wrong house. What do you think they're up to? In Beaumont, Texas, these two attempted a break-in on Robert Street in Houston. Lock your doors, folks. These clowns are on the loose. In Kansas City, Missouri, watch out, they're not just stealing valuables. They're taking your plants too. Who knew the plant thieves were so bold? Keep those gardens guarded.
There's nothing. Hey, put my plant down. Why you gotta take my plant?
Columbus, Ohio. Baltimore, Maryland.